ScreenTech becoming a high demand product of people looking for our materials here through resellers and trade outlets, plumbing outlets. We created a point of sale display stand. This display stand allows people to just come and leisurely just look at the materials as they can see. They can get all the detail of each product and feel and touch each product. And there's photos in amongst this display that they can also see that it can match their roof, colour charts, and more. It's a smaller stand. It's designed to just sit in a corner so it's away from taking up too much space. And with that, we feel that this will help with sales within your store.